Hello my dear sweetheart subscribers, welcome to my channel GL Love Manwa. Just Friend, Chapter 5. Welcome. I am looking for a ring. Okay, what would you like to see mom? I need a ring for a couple. Okay, this way please. This is also very popular. Although I can't propose yet, it should be fine to give her a ring. This time we can look forward to it. Song Hye-yoon has seemed to have changed her mind. If I show her this ring, she will know how I truly feel. I want this. What will Hye-yoon's reaction be when she receives this? Buy more clothes when the time comes. Pack the important things first. Books. That's right. They're anything massing quickly. It seems that there is nothing else to take. Later only used a satchel. Cha Manju gave me all of these. I'll just return these to the original owner. But why does that seem bad? Ring surprise. Shin Seora called ring. Hello, Seonbae. I took the bus. Are you ready? Sorry, I might be a little late. You go in first. TikTok. Okay, is that Waka Waka restaurant? Grab. Yes, I will go immediately. Is it okay to only eat these? Yes. One chicken per person. And it's the fried chicken that you bought me, Tilda. Thank you. Wow. In fact, you are eating the expensive ones. Okay, as much as you like. Chew. Is that all of your stuff? Well, it's all sorted. Why is there so little luggage? It's better to take less. I'll just buy what I need. Open. Close. Why did I bring this? Glance. Is that a photo album? I miss you. I want to see. No, it's not. I want to see photos of Seonbae. I want to see. Wait a minute. What? How are you so fit? It is thanks to exercise. I'm not complimenting you. Hee. I'm looking forward to it. Oh, is this child Seonbae? Whisper. Yes, this is a few years old. Badamp. Whisper. Yes, this is a few years old. So cute. This person is. Wait a minute. Don't look. Snatch. You two have been familiar since childhood. I did not say Tati grew up with the support of Cha Manju's father. Yeah, am I wrong? Wish. Your face looks more and more happy. Seonbae, do you really hate this person? So have you figured out where you are going to live? Shut. The chairwoman said she would find me an apartment. What can a simple bata know? That chairwoman, how do you know her? Didn't I tell you? She is Cha Manju's cousin. She is. I didn't know. Well, put it this way. Puff what puff? Cousins. They look a bit alike. Seonbae, I'm actually a little worried. Shift. There is no guarantee that the operation will be successful. Is it really okay living as a beta? It goes without saying I feel more comfortable as a beta. What if she still likes you after you become a beta? What will you do? Cha Manju's father wouldn't leave it alone. But bring Song Hye-yoon to the company tomorrow at 2. The surgery date has been set. Open raise. You can sit down again. She has been taking the medicine regularly, so the pheromone levels have decreased. Because it is recessive, the effect appears even quicker. And the side effects. There have been no problems in clinical trials. Touch. When Hye-yoon comes out of the exam, tell her to sign this consent form. Glance. What? Do you have something to say? Director, you are an alpha, right? Like Cha Manju, we are not exactly the same. She is dominant and I am recessive. Alphas are also divided into types. Yes, although the difference is not as great as before. But what exactly are alphas and omegas? Well, opposites with the same type of pheromone. I do not mean a theoretical explanation. Grumble. How else can it be explained? I've heard that betas sometimes talk about destiny or something like that. Chuckle. Do you also believe in those things? What's wrong with that? Look away. PFFT. Ugh. What is so funny? Hannah. Turn. To mark a person and spend the rest of your life with them. That is a very inefficient type of relationship. It is precisely because of that unscientific aspect that it sounds like destiny. Once marked, alphas and omegas cannot survive a heat cycle without their mates. Even if your feelings change, the marking cannot be undone. They can never part. Does that sound like a romantic story to you? And you say that even though you are ALF. She seemed very confident as an alpha before. Only by recognizing this can someone find a suitable partner. A suitable partner. It is better to focus on the genetic part instead of waiting for a love that can change at any moment. Why do you think Cha Manju's father hates Song Hye-yoon? The answer is simple. It's because she is a recessive omega. Even in heat, it is difficult to get pregnant. Yeah, that's what Hye-yoon Sunbae told me. But is that really the reason? Manju doesn't care, but that's because she's a dominant alpha. Are recessive alphas similar to omegas? In a way, pregnancy is difficult for them too. My sister is also a recessive omega, but she has never told me about it. Either way, this is my family's problem. We cannot choose our partners just like that. Stand. I don't think it's a problem for your sister. When Song Hye-yoon comes back, tell her to sign this. Sometimes I think that destiny does exist. Don't you think Manju Sunbae thinks so too? That Hye-yoon Sunbae is her destiny. What do you think, director? What are you talking about? Huh? Do you think Manju Sunbae will give up just because Hye-yoon Sunbae is a beta? I still remember the look she had when I met her. I think it's different from what Hye-yoon Sunbae says. It seems that she really likes. What if Manju Sunbae doesn't give up? How could an alpha like a beta? Huh, but it wasn't because of the pheromones that she liked her. What? I have heard that pheromones are only a means of knowing what the other feels. I can't argue with that. If that person still likes Hye-yoon Sunbae, squeeze. What will happen then? I woke up, Miss CP. Hye-yoon went to class. By the way, when should I give her the ring? Maybe I should take her to a nice restaurant and give it to her there. Miss. Yes. This came in the mail. I think the lady should see it. Hesitant. Freeze. What is this? So the change in attitude lately, was it because of this? The number you called is not available. Was she trying to fool me? And Chapter 6. Murmur. Oof. Finally finished the last test. Sunbae. Wah. Were you waiting here? You could have left to get coffee or something. Actually, I also just came out. How did the test go? Fine. Can we have lunch? Yes. Surprise. Why do I have so many missed calls? Oh. Manju, what is this dormitory entry letter about? Call me whenever you can. Sunbae, what's up? The letter of admission to the dormitory. Why was it sent to the house? They said they would text. Tremble. Haven't you told Manju Sunbae yet? No, I wanted to keep it a secret for now. I hoped our relationship would naturally fade away. Even if it was a bit cowardly, I thought that was the best option. What do I do now? Wouldn't it be better if you went home and talked to her first? Distressed. What? No. Why? Because, have to face her and tell her everything. That we will no longer live together. Sunbae, is it because you don't want to hurt Manju Sunbae? What? Actually, I don't think anything is going to change in this situation even if you become a beta, Sunbae. Even if your beta and pheromones no longer affect you, the feeling of loving someone will not change. Mom, what are you talking about? Do you like her just for being alpha? I know you like Manju Sunbae. Raise. No, even without being able to feel the pheromones, I realized it. Sad. That day in the hall, I could tell when I saw their faces. I noticed that their hearts pointed to each other. They were so close that there was no place for me to get in. I think it's selfish to avoid her because you don't want to hurt her feelings. Squeeze. Sometimes I think that there is destiny. Don't you think Manju Sunbae thinks so too? So what if you're recessive or whatever? Manju Sunbae doesn't care about such things. How do you know? Be honest with me, Sunbae. You don't want to part with Manju Sunbae, right? Step open. Yeah, then. Hey, why didn't you call first? Where is Song Hye-yoon? Stop. Why are you looking for her here? Stop pretending. I already know everything. I heard that Hye-yoon has been around a lot lately. So don't think of any excuses and tell me. Raise. Alright, where do I start? You know that the company has been experimenting with a new drug. A new drug. Yes, a new drug accompanied by a surgery to eliminate pheromones. Eliminate pheromones. Song Hye-yoon agreed to undergo the treatment. The surgery has not yet been carried out, but a date has already been set. Snatch. And so, don't see the consent signature there. Song Hye-yoon said to do it. She wants to end your relationship quickly. So I have no regrets. What a simple way of thinking, Annie. Smile. Song Hye-yoon becomes a beta, so what? Do you think I'll leave Hye-yoon alone for that? You don't understand, Annie, because you only see omegas as a means to have children. I guess Hye-yoon sees it that way too. But it's not like that for me. Squeeze. I didn't fall in love with Song Hye-yoon because she was omega. What are you talking about? Bend. Stop. I still can't understand it. Trample. Even if she stops having pheromones. Song Hye-yoon is mine. Taxi. Open. To the K building in Changjeong-ro, Seodaemungu. Yes. So what do you plan to do now? First, I must tell the director what happened. You really won't talk to Manju Sanbae. I do not know. I want to do it, but I'm afraid. Smile. You asked me why I was afraid, right? I am afraid that at some point she will get tired of me. What do you mean? If one day she stops liking me? If in the end it turns out that everything was an illusion? If her heart is completely cold, then I really wouldn't know what to do. Sanbae, I've already told you that my little sister is an omega, right? Look, my little sister was a beta, but she became an omega when she started high school. What? They say it is not very common. But sometimes it happens when pheromones are unstable and appear later than normal. Yes, I heard that there are quite a few of recessive omegas thinking. It must have been hard for her too. Not at all. Everything remained the same as always. Well, now my sister likes another omega. Is that possible? Look, does it seem weird? Yes, a little. Well, I think what I'm trying to say is, when it comes to loving someone else, are pheromones really as important as you think? Of course, it becomes a little more difficult if it is not an alpha-omega relationship, because you cannot solve the heat cycle that easily. But my sister said she's okay with that. She does not care because she is who she likes. Sanbae, you said you're afraid of being abandoned. Yes, so think about it backwards. Don't you think Manju Sanbae is scared? Manju Sanbae is probably also worried, terrified. But maybe she can put up with it because she loves you too much to give you up, right? Seora, what are you talking about? I mean that the one who really fears being abandoned is not you, Sanbae. Break. We are here. Whatever. I just did what she wanted. What? If you want to argue, go talk to her. It's because of my father. What? Shock. Did you do all this in secret to please my father? Do you think you can take my place if you please him, Annie? What are you talking about? Song Hye-yoon was the one who came to ask me. You wouldn't help Hye-yoon just because she asked you to. Kick. You have always hated her. Think again, Annie. Lift. Chuckle. It is better for you to please me than my father. You. Tell me where Song Hye-yoon is or else clash. Cha Manju. Your pheromones. Why are they unstable? Manju. Cha Manju. What's going on? Wasn't the cycle over? Why did it suddenly appear? Is it because of that day? Maybe it was too much exposure to omega pheromones. Let's go. You can't stay here. Stagger. Oh, there are omegas in the company that could be a problem. I can feel them. The various omega pheromones. I feel them all. Stop. Raise these pheromones. Why do we have to meet right? Surprise. What is with Cha Manju's pheromones? It's like, stay behind for a moment. Manju Sanbae looks a little weird. Hye-yoon, Song Hye-yoon, are you really going to give up? Hug. Let me go. Why do you keep running away from me? Why? I love you so much. Sob. All this time, I have only looked at you. Let's take her somewhere else. Scream. Startle. Can't you see Cha Manju? She's in heat. In heat. Cha Manju, wait, your face. Please don't leave me. Don't go to some unknown place. Lifts up. I'm not the one who can abandon you, the one who can end this relationship first as you, not me. Cha Manju, you push. Sanbae, are you okay? She pushed me. Wish confused. Take Hye-yoon away, quickly. But now. Cha. Cha Manju, stay back. Do you have an access card? Please op. No. Resistant. Troublesome. Didn't you notice? Cha Manju's pheromones are unstable. End the dur. You just have to step back. Didn't you say you wanted to end this relationship once and for all? But Cha Manju is suffering. If you go in there, what are you going to do? Anyway, if you become beta, Manju will be like this for a while. Oof. Or did you think that it would be easy to mark another omega as long as it's not you? Don't tell me you didn't expect a situation like this. Hey, you don't have to say it that way. Were you really going to operate without even thinking about it? Answer me, Song Hye-yoon. But I thought you loved me too. Despite how proud you are, you've always been by my side. I thought it was hard for you to admit it, and that if you were given enough time, you would be able to open your heart to me in the end. Everything was in my imagination. Do you really want me to let you go? Sunbae, let's go. I don't think it's a good time to talk. Seora, you said it before, right? That when it comes to loving someone, pheromones and such are not as important as we think they are. Yes, I am not the one who is really afraid of being abandoned. Clench. Get out of the way. What? I'm going to fix this, so get out of the way. FWUSH. Gnashing. How will you solve it? Not that. Lifts. Hug. What? What are you doing? Let go. Titans. Stay still for a moment. Let go of me right now. Touching. Stop touching me. I'll be here. SUNBAE. See you later. Stop moving S0 much. Kick. Are you crazy? Yeah, but seriously, she's strong. Cha Manju, are you okay? Pull. I love you. Surprise. Please tell me that you love me as well. Tell me that you are mine. Please. Thank you so much for supporting me, and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.